Hey guys, out in the JK going for a drive here, and I had a little trick I wanted to share with you. I recently improved it a little bit. So I was at Home Depot, and they had these little clips for, I think it was 66 cents. So this is a dollar mod. Can't do that very much any day. But anyways, one of these clips I stored up here on the padding for the roll bar. And the general idea is one of the things I don't like about modern vehicles is sometimes you have them get very sensitive to being off angle, up, down, sideways, whatever, and the seatbelt will start locking up on you and you can't move. If you need to look out the window, pull yourself up to look over the hood, things like that. The seatbelt locks up and it just keeps pulling you back and back into the seat as it gets tighter and tighter. So I find that super annoying. I think it actually keeps people from wearing their seatbelt off-road a lot, which is something we shouldn't do. So what I do, and I got this idea from my buddy Tim. He has a Toyota Tacoma that wheels with us quite a bit, and I think it has a very sensitive seatbelt to this. But you take this little clip, you pull out just a hair bit of slack. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, and then you clip this clip to the seatbelt, and then it can't retract all the way. It can't continually keep retracting, and so once you do that, the seatbelt won't retract. So if you do get out or something like that, the seatbelt will be kind of messy. But you can leave it in your seat if you want. But generally, it works a lot better off-road because you're not constantly fighting against that seatbelt for position, for visibility, things like that. So yeah, dollar mod. I have them on both sides in the Jeep. You can do it while you're sitting. Easy to take on and off, no permanent modifications. I don't think it has a huge impact on the overall safety of everything. Again, it is not as the factory intended, safety warning, disclaimer, all that stuff that you gotta do these days. But I find it really handy on newer vehicles that have aggressive seat belts. My Ford pickup is one of the worst I've had. It actually, I think probably the retractor is starting to go a little bit bad or get gummed up. So it actually does it on the highway. So you're just going on the highway, and if you're bouncing and the seatbelt just keeps getting tighter and tighter. Anyways, yeah, dollar mod, Home Depot. I guess $2 if you want to do both sides. Maybe you could do the belts in the back if you carry people. But thanks for following along. If you like this kind of stuff, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, bells, notifications, all that stuff. Thanks for following along. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.